number 596 remains in effect until 7 p.m. and now includes the following: Lake Michigan from Sheboygan to Port Washington, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake, and Lake Michigan from Port Washington to North Point Lake, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to Noaa Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm.
Scanners are busy.
Control from 102.
102, go ahead.
We're going to need Nikon out to 614 East 2nd Street. This should be a priority. We got a blown line that's leaking out a lot of gas.
For a lot of gas. I'll get them around.
10-4, thank you.